guys, so welcome back to my channel. So as you see, we were jumping right in. We're going to start off with brows. We're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade in the color chocolate. So we're going to use that to line out our eyebrows. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush as well. This is my first time doing my brows on camera, and I think they came out pretty well. And I had this dip brow for a while, for at least like 6 months. I only use it like 3 or 4 times. I really don't use it that often, so I'm usually a brush girl. But for this video, I really wanted to use the dip brow. When I do my brows, I don't fill them up all the way to the front, just midway. Don't forget to brush out them brows. When you outline your brows, just make sure you follow the original outline of your eyebrows. Don't do anything extra. And just take your time as well. Brows are cousins and not sisters. As much as we want our eyebrows to look exactly the same, sometimes they can't. So just get them as close as possible and just move on to the next step. That's what I have been doing. Unless they look absolutely ridiculous. But if they do, I just take them off. So now I'm going to take the back of my spoolie and I'm going to blend the rest of the product into the front of my brow so it can look as natural as possible. So now we're going to take my LA Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and we're going to outline the bottom of my brows. Usually if I'm doing a colorful look, I will use a lighter shade. Because I'm doing a natural face foundation routine, I'm going to use the same color for my top brows and my bottom brows. And if you do mess up outlining your brows with the pomade or the pencil, just remember that you can always use your concealer to fix it. You're going to do the same exact thing from the other side. Now I'm just using that concealer and just bring it down to my eye some more so it can blend nice and neat. So now I'm going in with another LA Pro concealer in the color Beautifully Bronze, and I'm going to use that as a base for my look. I'm not going to add any shadow to this look. I'm just using this as a base. And this Beautifully Bronze blends in really well with my eyes and my natural skin tone. I'm just using that Real Technique brush to blend it out. I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. Like, my ring light is acting up. Yeah, once you blend all of that out and it looks good, I really love how this blends out, how smooth it is. So pretty. And this look really took no time at all to do. That's my favorite look. Yep. So now we're going to go with that CoverGirl powder and we're going to set our eyes with that. This is the CoverGirl loose setting powder in the color medium. Just make sure you put that all over your eyes so your eyes won't crease up and it could be your look. Next, we're going to go in and prime my face. This is the Touch Soul Prime Essence Water. I'm probably sure I'm saying that wrong, so I'll leave it down in the description box. But yeah, this is the Prime Essence Water. I like this because I have dry skin, so the better hydrating my face is, the better my foundation is going to come out. make sure my brows not messed up or work too hard on them. So now I'm going to go with the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. This is my favorite primer. It's about, how much is about $5 to $8. You find it at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, everywhere. Now I'm going to go with that Tarte Base Hydrating Primer. I'm just going to put that on my face and under my eyes because my eyes can get really dry sometimes. So now we're going to wear my CoverGirl True Blend Nutmeg Foundation, transfer resistant, all that other good stuff. You guys, I had to find so many of this foundation because most of them are halfway empty. It's ridiculous. But I have this foundation all over my house. Now I'm going with that Real Techniques brush and I'm just blending that foundation out. You can use a brush or you can use a blender, beauty blender to blend it out, whatever's up to you. But I like to go in my brush and I like to use the Technique brush to smooth everything all out, as you're going to see. Now I'm just moving everything out. I almost forgot. It's kind of making my skin darker a little bit. So now I'm going in with that ColourPop concealer in the dark 48, and I'm concealing under my both eyes, my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. I don't put the concealer directly under my eyes because I don't like the way it comes out. So I like to put a little bit of distance off from my eyes, and that way I can control how it goes under my eyes better, like the way I distribute it and the way I blend it out. So it's better this way. Now I'm going to go on my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, medium to dark. I'm going to go with the darkest shade. Using our Wet n Wild contour brush. Start at the forehead. I just start my forehead and just work my way around. It's easier the way, like you start your forehead, then you come to your temple, then you just go down to your cheekbones. It's a little easy to like highlight and guide yourself, like where the product should go. Because most of the time I like to blend out my highlight and then go back with the contour. But for this video, I want to do it this way. So now we're going to go with that damn beauty blender. We're going to blend out the product. This is my favorite part, y'all. Like, oh my God. Highlighting contour is my favorite part. It's like everything. I like to blend my cream, my highlight slowly, and then slowly work my way up to my eye. That way I can control the situation a little bit better instead of putting it directly under my eye. So now we are blended out. We're going to go in with that same setting powder from CoverGirl, and we're going to set our eyes. Everywhere we highlight, we're going to set. I'm not a bake girl. I don't bake. I'm a microwave bitch. I want everything quick. So we're just going to put this powder on, and we're going to keep it moving. So now I'm just using that same powder to outline my cheek, so my contour coming through a little stronger. I use it also to make sure my whole face is mattified too as well. So now I'm going in with these lashes I got from Amazon. I forgot the name of them. They don't even have style numbers or anything on the lashes. Like, they don't tell you what style they are, what number they are, anything. But they come like 5 in a pack, and you get 2 packs of 5, and it's like $10. And the lashes are pretty decent. I'm using the Duo glue as well to put the lashes on. It's the clear one. The one we usually use to put on eye glitter or something like that. So that's the glue I've been using because it dries down clear. And if I make any mistakes, you can't see it though. So yeah, we're trying to win all over. Trying to save ourselves some time, baby. I really showed this part so you can see that I still struggle with like certain things. Like I'm not perfect. I'm still learning. I'm still out here trying to, perfect my craft and everything. So I wanted to show this part of me struggling with these lashes because, hunty, they was giving me the flux a little bit. But I came through though, as you can see. They done, girl. Move around. So next, we're going to get into my setting press powder. First, I wiped all that powder off my face. Then I set my face with the toffee powder from LA Mineral. I get this powder from the British Pie store. Yeah, I really need to upgrade my products. Like, all this shit work fantastic, but I need to, like, really change products. I use the same stuff all the time, but yeah, this powder works really well. It's like $3.99 at the British Supply store. So now we're going in with the NYX lip pencil in the color Nutmeg. And we're going to line our lips. It broke on me, y'all. It always does that to me. And now we're going to go with my lip gloss from Miss Effortless. I drip her name, but this is in the color Butterscotch, I believe. It's so pretty. Hurry up. So now we're going to go with a little bit of highlight. And this is from Wet n Wild as well, and Golden Flower Crown. You don't have to have highlight if you don't want to. I just added it because it would have been bomb without it. So yeah, that's the end of this video. This kind of completes my look. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.